Yeah, key man. It's the showbiz. It's the showbiz. Showbiz. You can either get all your dreams, or meet all your nightmares. Meet all your nightmares. You wanna roll the dice? Yeah. Riding in my lap on a Saturday night. Money in my pockets, blush roll tight. Yeah. Feeling real good, about to get the club cracked. Shots in Patron, cutting what's happening. Never lacking when it comes to a dope rhyme. DJ call my name, yes, now it's showtime. Rock the mic like a vet, cause I am. Yeah. Step off the stage and I mingle with my fans. Hands in the air, that's a tribute to a player. Lounge with my folks, chill without a care. Yeah, that's the life of your boy. You're dressed to the T, dip a new tour. And I'm steadily getting bigger. Keep an eye watching with my finger on the trigger. Figure, I'ma keep what I got. Keep stacking paper, reach for the top. Yeah, showbiz, it ain't all what it seems. Sacrifice it all for a glimpse of your dreams. The showbiz, it could be a nice life. Better watch out, better think twice. The showbiz, it all happens so fast. Better watch out for the snakes in the grass. The showbiz, better keep a cool head. You never really famous till you end up dead. Here we go again, another city, another show. Blush roll tight, ready to flow. Sitting backstage with a bottle of Patron. All my partners here and we ready to smoke. Rippers all around, but I'm focused on work. Haters here and there, but they don't wanna get mine. Fresh fit, fresh fade, looking like a star. Grill in my mouth, diamonds in the bar. Sold out of bed, thousands in the crowd. Ladies all hysterical, screaming out loud. Imagine that feeling, dancing on the ceiling. Here we go again, about to make another killing. Me and B on the mic, nothing compares like that ball-headed dyke. Gotta fly out tonight, just another day in the show business life. Showbiz, it ain't all what it seems. Sacrifice it all for a glimpse of your dreams. The showbiz, it could be a nice life. Better watch out, better think twice. The showbiz, it all happens so fast. Better watch out for the snakes in the grass. The showbiz, better keep a cool head. You never really famous till you end up dead. I do it for the fans and the love for the music. I do it for the money, I need it, I pursue it. It's fluid, I've been in it for a long time. Always independent with my future on my mind. But I done sacrificed so much for the cause. Time I couldn't spare with my son playing ball. Cause you never know what might happen on the road. All these niggas in the game, heart so cold. But I navigate, stay straight.